Is EarnX a great website to work and get paid as it claims here on the website, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this EarnX review, I will give you an inside look and I will show you all the details, and there definitely are some very important details you need to consider before investing your time here, and I will show you all that. So let's take an inside look so you can see if it's the right option for you to earn online or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So I have now logged into EarnX, and let me just start by saying who can join so you know if it's even relevant for you. And you can join EarnX from more or less all countries, but there can be some restrictions. They are not completely clear about that. So if you decide this is the right option for you after watching this review, then all you can do is to go to the website and see if they allow you to sign up. But I really encourage you to wait till after you have watched this review so you know what you can really expect, and we'll find out if it really will be worth your time. And let's now go over how you can earn on EarnX. And one way is here these CPA and GPT offers, and it's not like an offer wall that you would usually find on many get paid to sites. These are promotional tasks. In this case, if you make a YouTube video about EarnX and post it on YouTube, you will get these 0.2 euros. And there are some requirements that you need to live up to, and you can see there are other things here. If you make a promo post on Twitter, all of these are basically promotional tasks where you have to promote EarnX. And honestly, I think the rewards for this is very low. You get 20 cents to make a YouTube video and post it and live up to their requirements. I would say you should only do that if you really want to make a video about it anyways. It's not worth it for the earnings alone. And before you do this, I would encourage you to really test if it is worth promoting. But you will find out after I have gone through all it has to offer here. So let's move on to the next, because the next one is a big one here. This is PTC, meaning paid to click. That is a big part of what EarnX has to offer. And they have quite a lot of ads you can click here. So you can see all you need to do is to click and a new screen will open up with an ad there. You have to watch a website and you have to watch this for 10 seconds and then you will get this 0.0007 euros. And these are some of the highest paying ones. You can see some of them actually pay even less, but let's say you go for the highest paying ones, then you would need to click around 1,500 of these ads to earn just €1. And with the time it takes to open it up and verify all these things here, that would take you probably around 5 hours, and there are not even that many ads available. But even if you just say that you did this over several months, then think about it. That would be 5 hours of your time to earn around €1 for clicking the highest paying ads here. So even though there are quite a lot of options here, it is clearly not a way to really make a lot of money here. So only do this if you really have a lot of time that you want to invest into earning a tiny bit of extra money. And then you also have the traffic exchange option over here. And here is something very interesting about EarnX in general. Very often when you click on something in the menu, you get a pop-up ad, and my antivirus is quite strict, so it blocks it. But if you don't have a strict antivirus, you will get this pop-up anyways, which is really annoying, and it really destroys the usability in my opinion. And this is because they get paid for these ads, but it's just so annoying. And for me, something like this is a deal breaker. When I click in the menu, I do not want some kind of spammy pop-up ad taking me to another screen or something like that. That's just, I don't know why they think that is a good idea. For me, that's just something I could never imagine doing on a website, because it really breaks the trust. I'm expecting to see something else. But anyways, that is something you have to accept if you decide to join EarnX, these annoying pop-up ads that you get out of nowhere. And the traffic exchange is kind of the same, where you can visit sites and you can earn a little bit by visiting sites, and you can send them to your own website if you have one and things like this. Again, nothing particular here, nothing super interesting, and not something you can earn a lot by doing. The offer walls is probably something you have heard of before if you have used get paid to sites before. And here you can see that EarnX actually has quite a lot of different offer walls, and you can find different offers here where you will get paid. And for some of them, you have to invest quite a lot of time. Some of them you have to invest quite a bit of money, but all that is in the descriptions. And if you read carefully, you can find some great offers here with great rewards, but they do not offer anything special here. All these offer walls can be found on other get paid to sites, and in my experience, also sometimes for higher rewards, and definitely on sites with better user friendliness in my opinion. But if you happen to really like EarnX, then this can be a section that can be worth checking out. Just make sure to read the fine print and read exactly what you need to do to get your rewards. And I tried to move on to the next earning method, and once again we get this annoying pop-up just to show you that it's not just a one-time thing, it actually happens quite regularly. And now it just keeps popping up, but now I finally made it back here to the next one, which is called YouTube videos. And here you can get paid to watch YouTube videos, and then you can earn, you can see 0.003 euros for watching it, and you have to watch it at least 35 seconds. There are not a lot of options here for me. It's easy, it can be entertaining, but really do not do this to earn. There are options if you want to earn by watching videos that are better, but in general, earning by watching videos is not a very effective way to earn on any site. That's not just on EarnX, that is just how that earning opportunity is in general. So now you know the main ways you can earn here on EarnX, but you of course also need to know how you can get your earnings out. And you go to the money section and withdraw, and then you can see your options here. And one of the options is PayPal, which is quite nice they offer. It is definitely a convenient way to get your earnings out, and the payout threshold is also only 2 euros, which is actually quite low. But then notice here, if I just move myself away here a little bit, you can see there's fees, and there's 10% fee for cashing out through PayPal. 10%. I have seen other get paid to sites that sometimes charge the standard 2% that PayPal charges, but 10%, you already get very low rewards here, and then you have to pay 10% of those earnings. So you need to be aware of that, and that is the highest fee I have ever seen from a PTC site or a get paid to site. So be aware that once you withdraw, if you use PayPal, then you will not get the full amount. But you can also choose other ways to get paid. You can click here, and then you can see there's Faucet Pay and there is Dogecoins also. And here the payout threshold for Faucet Pay is only 50 cents here. The fee is still 10%. And then if we say Dogecoins here, you can see the minimum threshold is 75 cents here, but the fees here are at least lower. They are 3%, and then there's like a standard fee you also have to pay here. But overall, that's the payout methods you can get here. They are fairly flexible, fairly low payout threshold, but a really high fee for many of the methods. Overall, you can earn some extra cash by joining EarnX, but this whole work and get paid, in my opinion, almost makes it sound like you can potentially earn a full-time income, and you cannot do that on EarnX. Most of the rewards are quite low, but it can definitely be a way to earn. And it offers quite a lot of different earning opportunities. But there just are sites with higher rewards for the same offers. And what I really dislike about EarnX is that even when you click in the menu, you have these random pop-ups coming up all the time, and it can be really difficult to navigate. And it just really is a deal breaker for me. So the low rewards and these pop-up ads that comes up out of nowhere, that makes it a site that I definitely do not recommend. If you want to earn some extra cash online for free by taking surveys, doing small online microtasks, taking offers and all this, then there just are a lot of better sites in my experience. And if you want to know even more details about EarnX, or if you want to see a list of my top recommended sites where you can earn online for free, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link below this video here, so make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, then press the like button and Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.